To remove Instagram account from account list. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you want to remove your Instagram account from account list, first you have to make sure that you have the updated version of the Instagram. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Once you have done that, open your Instagram. Once you are on the page, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the option of Account Center. Then go ahead and select Password and Security. Once you are in this page, go and click on to Saved Login. Once you do that, simply toggle off or switch off this option next to Saved Login and tap on Remove to confirm. I'm not going to tap on Remove because I don't want to remove my account, but you should definitely do that if you want to remove the account. Now go back to your account center and tap on Accounts at the very bottom. Now this time tap on Remove next to the account that you want to remove from the account list and for which you have switched off the saved logins. Now tap on to Remove Account option and simply click to continue. And that's it. Your account will be removed from Instagram account list. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.